What does it take to crack one of the toughest exams in India and land at rank 3? For Pune's Archit Dongre, it was a mix of grit, philosophy, and the courage to quit his IT job. The Union Public Service Commission on Tuesday announced the final results of the Civil Services Examination 2024. Pune's Archit Parag Dongre, a BTech graduate from VIT Vellore, secured All India Rank 3. Though the UPSC does not release state-wise rankings, Archit appears to be this year's top-ranking candidate from Maharashtra. Archit hails from Pune, completed his schooling in Mumbai, and later pursued junior college in his hometown. He worked at an IT firm for a year before quitting to prepare for the exam. He cleared the exam with philosophy as his optional subject. Notably, Archit had also cracked the CSE in 2023, securing rank 153. A total of 1,009 candidates have qualified the Civil Services Examination 2024. Shakti Dubey topped the exam, following by Harshita Goyal and Archit Dongre at second and third ranks, respectively. Among the top 5, there are 3 women and 2 men. The top 25 includes 11 women and 14 men. The CSE is conducted annually by the UPSC in 3 stages: prelims, mains, and interview to select candidates for the IAS, IPS, IFS, and other Group A and B services. The preliminary exam for 2024 was held on June 16 last year. Nearly 10 lakh candidates applied, with over 5.8 lakh appearing for the exam. 14,627 cleared the prelims and appeared for the mains in September 2024. Of them, 2,845 reached the interview round. The top 25 successful candidates this year have diverse academic backgrounds, ranging from engineering, humanities, and medical science to architecture and commerce. They hail from premier institutions like IITs, NITs, VIT, JNU, University of Delhi, and University of Allahabad. Optional subjects taken by toppers include anthropology, geography, public administration, sociology, literature, and Archit's own choice, philosophy. After Delhi, Pune is one of India's top hubs for civil services preparation. The city's central areas are packed with coaching centers and libraries. Each year, many Punekars make it to the UPSC list, and Archit's success adds one more proud name to the tally. Stay tuned for more profiles on India's top rankers and their journeys to success.